Does it look better? Oh my god. I haven't slept well in a week. Yesterday I went to bed at 6 a.m. And I wasn't partying. I was packing. Look at this empty room. Everything is gone. Almost gone. Still have a lot of work to do. However, I in my let's get better at this era as content, and I bought microphones, but not the fluffy ones, and not because I didn't want them, just because the delivery wasn't okay with my flight. It was like after, so the options was this one, supposed to be a little even like better. So let's see. Oh, it still has the plastic on. Hold on. Can you hear me better already? Is it working? Oh, this is for the back, so it doesn't matter. Hold on. Right now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I had to go back and check. Okay. You do hear me, but it's kind of muffled. I'm gonna take off the plastic. Is it better? Okay. So let's pack together. Actually, you know what? Let's get some cake first. Let's eat some cake. I asked. It's too ugly for y'all to see. Sorry. I order delivery that I usually never do. I'm such a good girl. I cook. I'll try to. Or eat, like I will go out. I don't like take. I don't deliver food at my apartment. Like I rather go out and eat out, like get the full experience, or I will cook. So I got a Philly cheesecake before leaving, just in case, even though we're not in Philly, but it doesn't matter. The taste, you know. And then I order chocolate cake slice. But I don't know why. They got me also this one. Okay. It's good. It's a it's a cheesecake. Wait. I got a Philly cheesesteak, and this is a cheesecake. Oh wow. Okay. Cheesecake. And since I'm moving away, like outside the country, I think this is a proper kind of almost the last meal. Okay. This was my little office moment today. Now we're going this way, right? I actually got two luggages, um, a carry-on, and I already like sent a bunch of boxes and my couch and the bed on the way. So they left today, hopefully in 2 to 3 weeks, because it's through a uh, through boat. It's through boats, so it would take a little longer, but hopefully everything will get there and I'll be able to use it. It's all personal stuff and also apartment stuff. So furniture, I am going first to DR. I have to furnish an apartment. I do Airbnb as well, and I have an apartment empty that it wasn't moving much, so I need to furnish it. I usually, Airbnb, you do furnished. So this one was kind of a new thing. Like I wanted like a long term, like someone that will come, will stay there for like a year and put their um, furniture. But I understand that it could be a lot. So I'm like, let me, before I move to my final destination, um, go there and finish that up. so then I don't have to like think about it, go back for it, you know. My hair has oil in it. Mm, 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 mm. I hate packing. It's so bad. It's so annoying. By the way, this is Dare to Beam. This is the nonprofit where I volunteer. I've been an ambassador and team member since, oof, I have like 7 years with them. Um, so yeah, I don't know where to start, guys. 11 years. I've lived here in New York City for 11 years. So I'm Italian. I grew up in Italy. I was born in DR. I moved here by myself. And I now decided that I need to, it's the right time to give Europe another chance that I never kind of did. My mind was always here. So I never fully engaged with like um like establish myself there, or like even create like relationship or attach myself too much, because I always wanted to live in the city since I was little. So now I feel like it's the time to go back and try to do that. I think I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm very scared as well. It's scary because it's such a different reality. Rhythm, it's like the life pace, it's very different. People are very different. My town is small. It's in the center north of Italy. It's close to Bologna. And that's my what I know as normality, because that's what I know growing up. But it's quite different than New York, which is such a interesting, and I call it a happy bubble in America. Um, so yeah, like rhythms, different procedures, people. I do have my community. I do have my family. I do have my Chico is already there. My dog, um, my friends. Okay, I had a call back from JetBlue because I couldn't see my trip. I bought it through my Chase card, and I don't know why I couldn't see it. So I called them, had a call back, and basically I had to put the last name. I have two last names together. That was the trick. But yeah. So 11 years. I want to give it a try to see modeling over there. I'm signed in London. I signed in London last summer. So let's see what comes with that. Wait, I have a bean head today. Mm. London, I heard Germany. Italy's kind of, skin is back. Let's say presentation is not. I don't know. I hope, man. This is my thing. I'm hoping that these 11 years things are different than when I left, as representation, as sizes, ages, genders, all of that. I would love it to be more open. And I do think, though, every time I come back, I go at least once a year um, to see my parents, my family, etc. And I do see a change. So that's what is also giving me hope um, in the people, like people around me, which is nice. It was not the case growing up. And I'm very excited to see what's up, to eat well, to be with family, just quality, quality.